Okay, here I am just in my studio, and I am getting ready for a birthday party tomorrow and a art club at 1 o'clock, which is, let's see what time it is, 10:30, so I got lots of time. So it looks kind of empty now, so I'll show you what I did. I'm just gonna do some videos the other way. Yeah. This table looks pretty empty because I've been emptying it, so I'm gonna show you where I put all my stuff. I have to change this swing to that red one right there. I mostly cleared off this because for the birthday party tomorrow, they put all their cake and food and snacks and stuff there, so that needs to be empty. Normally right here is that big red rack. Sometimes beside it I mostly keep all this stuff in the studio, kind of respect to my husband's space, even though he really doesn't care. So this all has to be in here for the birthday party tomorrow. Pardon me. My cold is better. I'm feeling better. Yay! Thanks for all your well wishes. I really appreciate those. It's sweet. So I'm going to put a sewing machine here so that I can sew for the birthday party tomorrow. I'm going to move the chairs out because the homeschool kids do better with the stools. And so I'm just going to do a few things. I'm going to take that sewing machine and move it to right there. Box has to go in there too. Okay, I took the swing down. I put the chairs in the other room with the box. I assembled a little display of the sewing camp samples for spring break. I'm going to take a photo and post that on Instagram. I got out this basket because I really need to find the books for Black History Month, and I've been really thinking a lot about that, so I am sorry that I haven't done that yet, but I got a lot of stuff. I'm trying to prioritize, and that's really important to me. So I took that basket out, and I'm going to do that today. Okay, I got them. I feel better about that. I'm going to do that. I love having them out. Okay, we got to start somewhere. Here is all of the stuff for the art camp on spring break. That's the sewing camp, and that's the art camp. So I'm going to do charcoals, and I'm going to do some just ink blotting, some action stuff where they make a little thing to make marks on stamps and stuff, and swingy things because I have these chains, and some cutting out of stuff. So yeah, art camp. I also straightened out this basket, which I'm much happier with. My husband got this typewriter working for me. It's awesome. So I'm going to use that during art camp too. Fun. I won't put up the red swing, but I am going to move this table right now. I pretty much did everything I need to do to get ready for the homeschool kids to come pretty soon. Let's see what time it is. They're not coming for another hour anyway. Sorry. So that's done. Got all the chairs and project ready. And I might just cut out from some denim for the art camp in March. I mean, there's a million other things I could be doing, but that's what I feel like doing, so I'm going to do that. I'm going to take a bunch of pictures of the button box because I kind of arranged that all fun. And I will post those, and I will just get back to work. Maybe I'll do another video when the homeschool art camp club kids leave, and I'll show what they made. I'm just starting to put everything back from the birthday party that I had here this morning. So I have to move everything from in here. All that stuff. Plus that. I gotta put it in here. So I'll set up the camera and do a time lapse. Okay, here's this project. I'm just deciding how I'm gonna display it. I really want to incorporate the plastic because it was a big part of the process, the story of the art installation. Those are like pieces that were stuck on here, and then I've glued them a whole bunch on here to kind of give it some texture. So I'm thinking of pressing that between 2 sheets of plexiglass, which might probably cost me around $100, which is quite a bit. Hey, 100? Do you think the plexiglass will be $100?
Might be more.
Yeah, it might be more. Yikes. Okay, well, we might need to reconsider how we're gonna hang that. So I thought about like a trifold, and then have this in the middle, because it was in the middle to do this effect that I got from here. See how it's kind of like, it's very cool. It's because of the plastic and what I used with it. So anyways, I gotta figure out how to hang this.
One or two, of each, which is really kind of heartbreaking.
Totally. I'm just uploading all these videos to my iMovie, and I thought I'd do a little one at the end. Just a bunch of different videos from a couple days, yeah, for the weekend basically, and little Mona at the end because she's so cute. And I'm just gonna upload these to my YouTube, and I hope you like it. Thanks for watching.